Hello traders, welcome to yet another weekly forex forecast. So I'll begin as usual by looking at the economic calendar. So this week we have actually throughout the week we have some high impact news that I'll be looking at. We also have FOMC meeting minutes on Wednesday, so that will also be something I'll be watching. So from Monday we have bank holiday, which during the New York session it tends to actually consolidate. Typically I usually see a lot of consolidation during this bank holiday USD during New York session. So we also have some high impact news on GBP on Tuesday during London, and USD during New York at 9:45 a.m. Wednesday at 2 p.m. we have FOMC, which will offer some high impact news. So I did not outline this, but Thursday we have also some high impact news on 8:30, and Friday we also have some high impact news at 8:30 also. So it actually looks like a very good week to see some expansion during the week. So we'll start by looking at the dollar index. So as I outlined last week, I was watching the market to keep drawing higher, even though we were initially bearish, but we are seeing the market is keeping pushing higher. So we had a weekly imbalance down here that I did not outline the previous week, but now the market came and dug deeper into that imbalance, and we are seeing some response away from it. So that's why I'm watching now this high as a potential draw this coming week. So this is the high I'll be watching to be taken out this week as buy-side liquidity. Once we take out that high, then, or how we take it, will depend on what I'll be watching next. So I'll be watching for that high. The way the market will take it out will give us more information on what we can expect on the dollar index, if we'll expect more bullish prices or if we'll see any form of rejection. But for now, I'll be watching this as a potential drawn liquidity. So looking at the daily chart, actually we hit that midpoint of that order block that we were watching last week, and that's where we got response on Friday. So we saw the market actually come down, dig deeper into this weekly imbalance, take out that sell side liquidity, and then immediately responded higher into that midpoint of that order block. So actually that was our target for last week, and we see it fulfill actually perfectly. So this coming week, maybe we'll get into more discount to take the market higher. So I'll be watching for this buy side liquidity as a potential drawn liquidity. So on the 1 hour chart, we actually saw the week come down into that weekly imbalance on Tuesday. So it hit it on Tuesday. Then we saw that response. So the entire week we have been bullish until we hit that daily order block. You can see actually the Sunday open, the market came below the Sunday open first. Then from there it went higher to create the weekly range. So this is the EURUSD. So we are looking at the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, actually there's an imbalance here, a bearish imbalance, that the market actually came higher to hit that imbalance, and we are seeing some response away from it. So that's why I'll be watching this low as a potential drawn liquidity this coming week. The daily chart, we saw the market actually come higher and take out all this buy side liquidity here as it entered that weekly imbalance, and we're seeing that response. So it actually went lower. So the euro did not get to the midpoint, but we saw it hit that order block high. So the high of the order block was hit, and that's why we got response. So we're just seeing the market coming back to premium at the close of Friday, but I'm still expecting lower prices. Oh, I did not mention, but I'll be watching this sell side liquidity here as a potential drawn liquidity. So on the euro, we saw actually the week open higher. It hit that weekly imbalance, then we saw that drop the entire week. So as you can see, the Sunday open is very crucial in determining the weekly bias. So we can see that when it goes higher and we are bearish, then it means it's seeking premium. to just drop into the week. On the pound dollar, we had that imbalance also on the weekly chart, and actually it filled that perfectly, and we are seeing it reject. So actually this coming week I'm expecting the market to continue lower. We have some sell side liquidity here and right here as we enter into this imbalance. So I've outlined this weekly imbalance as a potential drawn liquidity, so I'm expecting that week to expand lower into this imbalance. So the daily chart, we actually saw it take out this buy side liquidity this week, and then we saw that drop. So we've left an imbalance here that I'll be watching on the daily chart as a potential premium level that the market may use to initiate more sales. So that imbalance right there is what we'll be watching to take the market low into this sell side liquidity. I'll be watching this sell side as the first draw, and potentially we'll get into this weekly imbalance. So as you can see on the 1 hour chart, we saw the market rally higher, hit that weekly imbalance while taking out buy side, and then the entire week just dropped into Friday. Then Friday we got some retracement back into the weekly range, which is typical for Fridays. So we'll be watching this daily imbalance and this liquidity going into next week. So we'll see how Sunday opens, and that will give us more information. So that is it about this weekly forex forecast. Actually, I hope this was very insightful to your trading and your analysis. I'll be seeing you in the next forex forecast. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Also let me know what kind of content you want to see or any suggestions you have. Thank you.